So this is a tutorial video I'm making. So I'll just show you how I made this cover. So this is a video that I'm primarily making for myself, and I just wanted to record and upload it for you if you are looking to make a book cover like this. So this is one version. This is another version. This is actually we are restoring the book and publishing it, and we are publishing under Kitablin Classic series. So this is the image that I got. This is a copyright-free image. Obviously, I got it from Wikipedia. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to first remove the background, and after I remove the background, then I'm going to click on edit, and then I will go to apps, then I will click on screen, and then I will select multiple options are there. I'll select corduroy, or I think lino, or I forgot. I think lino I used. I think I used, yeah, I think I used corduroy, yeah. So I'm going to use this. I'm just going to play around here. Just forgot something like this. So I think I'm good to go here. That's nice. And to make it clean and simple. So this is the setting that I'm using. I'm going to click on save. I've saved this, and this is uploaded in my media library. So I'm just playing around. Okay. I want that vintage style. The vintage style is, the images that you see on your currency notes. That kind of a style I'm looking for, because that is vintage and I like that style. So I'm going to play around with the filters that I have, Belvedere or whatever style that I have. I think vintage is something which I really like Noah, and no, I don't like this. I think I'll go with this. A poster, something like this, which is helping me get that look. I'm looking for a vintage kind of this does not work. This will not work. I think I'll go with Noah, yeah, Noah or Noah, whatever that you call it. Ink is also fine, but I think this looks better. It has more contrast, and I like contrast. I also like this slate and this. I think I'll go with this one. Then I'm going to select this. And now the issue is I need to expand this. Right, this is the end product, and this is what I need. So I do not need this thing, and I'm going to click on the expand. You can do it on Photoshop. Photoshop is better actually, but I'm going to use this because I do not want to uh, use Photoshop right now, because this is completely mobile and I'm able to do it online. So that is the biggest advantage. So I'm just going to wait until it gives me a good result, and hopefully it will give me some good result. So I wanted to, Photoshop gives me a brush, so that will be really helpful. Here there are no brush or something like that. So I'm just going to play around, see which looks better. I think this one looks better, so just going to go with it. I'm not going to use the remaining parts. I'm just going to remove the background, and I think I'm good to go. Yeah, I'm just good to go, and I'll just use the image. I'll just zoom in and use something like that. So I'm going to put him in the center, something like that. Looks nice, and yeah, so looks nice. I'm going to change. I can play around with the colors, so I can have a dark background, but it is not gelling well with the image. Have a light background. This also looks nice. I can also change the color to this, and then what I can do is magic eraser. I can erase this. So I'll reduce the size. It is like the healing brush of Photoshop, so that I hope it works really well. So let's see. Yeah, works good. And apart from that, I am not having any problem. I just want the highlights to be reduced. I want the highlights to be reduced, and blacks to a little bit increased. Saturation will be zero. Vibration is fine. Can increase. No, it's fine. I'll take it to zero. And I think I'm good to go. And I'll just put the text here, the text that I got. Just put the text here. I'll just put the text here as well. And I think we're good to go. So that's about it. So that is a very clean looking. I think I will go with this. I like clean look, and this is a little bit. Uh, uh, so I think I'll go with this look, and I'll just change the background color to this. And yeah, that's a very clean looking novel cover that I've made within 6 minutes. So that is how you can do it very easily with what? With Canva. So here, what I can do is I can do this. I think I can do this. Thousand classic, something like that. Because that is looking very empty. This part is looking very empty. So something can be done here. So let's see. I think I'll go with this look. This looks nice, and yeah, this also looks nice, and yeah, I think I'll go with this look. Let me just download this. So that's about it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or query, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any question or queries, please let me know. And if you want to print, publish, and sell your book online in India, so visit Kazaplane, and we basically do all the stuff related to books, restoration, printing your book, publishing your book, and selling your book online. So visit our website, get to see all the details. And if you have any question or queries, please let me know in the comment section below. And publish your book today with Kazaplane. Thank you for watching this video.